Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get custom fonts in Roblox. So just search up Roblox fonts. I don't know why, but you just want to scroll down until you see like a font that you actually like. So let's just use this one as an example. So you want to click this now. It's going to look different on every website, but the font should like download. So once you open up Blox, you just want to go to mods, and then you want to scroll the way down until you see this little setting right here. Use custom font. Now choose font. You just want to click that. This should pop up. Open up the file, and then you just want to click the font and click save. But yeah, that's basically a quick way to do it. Quick and easy way. Simple as that. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.